Garda. Ayan, thank you so much po, Papa Robert. Hi, Lomi! Kamusta ka for today? She's good. Anong nararamdaman mo kasi ngayon 7 ka na?
Bukas na po.
Ang ganda sa ating baby shares. Ayan, thank you. Okay, to start, may we all stand po for our opening prayer to be led by Kuya Nick. Very good naman pala. Oh, next girls.
Hamon. Iyo, may laway.
Thank you so much, John. What's your message to Hopi?
Ano yung for short messages?
Short message lang. Short message.
Messages ka lang dami.
Short message. 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 Message.